Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my new video. If it's your first time, my name is Joan Katheu and right now I want to make pilau. By the way, this is like an impromptu thing. I want to make pilau like the Costarian way. I want to show you the simple ways that you can use to make your pilau na ikuwe bomb, na ikuwe poa, ikuwe tamu. Yeah guys, so let's make our pilau. I hope itatokea poa, itakuwa poa. Yeah. So right now guys, I'm trying to boil the meat. I don't know if you guys can see, but that is the meat. I tend to just boil it for like 10 minutes ndo ikwe at least ukipika na pilau imeiva vizuri And then over here I'm trying to, I want to boil. This is a mixture of cumin, cloves na cardamom. I think I need to add more cardamom. Yeah, so I'm gonna boil this and then I'll use the water to boil the rice. I don't know if that makes sense. Yeah, so let's do that guys. So guys, I'll let this boil for like 20 minutes. Alafu nitatoa hayo maji from hapa niweze kutumia kupikia pilau. So the reason as to why I love to boil this it's because I don't like when you are eating your pilau unatafuna mavitu unasikia umeuma kitu ujui ni nini. So I just love like people to eat clean pilau. Yeah, kitu kama hiyo, kama kuna anything like that. Yeah, so I'll let it boil as I do other things guys. Okay, so right now guys, nataka kutengeneza ginger, nataka kutoa ginger, nataka kutoa garlic, nizichambue and then niponde as hii stuff hapa ina boil. Yeah, so let's do that guys. So in here guys, I have some onions, I have ginger and no, this is garlic. I have garlic and ginger, and right here I have some carrots and tomatoes, and hapa I had just boiled this meat. So my meat, I think ni nyama ya mbuzi, and my rice guys. So this is the sufuria that I'll be using to cook. Just boiled it. Yeah, I'm gonna use the water to add it to the rice for it to cook the rice, obvious. Yeah, so for the spices guys, I'll be using this cinnamon and this cumin. This is cardamom, and I think this is pilau masala. Yeah, I have this pilau masala and I think they are like all the same. So I'll be using this for the spices, and yeah, that's it guys. So this, I think I need to like restock. Yeah, but I'm gonna use this for now. So guys, tunaanza na kitunguu maji, ndio kitunguu maji. And then after it turn brown, tuna add ginger and then garlic. You add I usually add ginger first because I stick sana kwa sufuria. Juu ukiweka garlic ya kwanza kuna vile inafanya sufuria inakuwa sticky haraka. So we're gonna do that. Sasa hope itatokea poa. So guys, nimesema tunaika ginger after our kitunguu maji imeturn brown. Yeah, and then after kuweka hii ginger unaikoroga for like a minute ama some seconds. And then una add garlic. Unaweka garlic ya pili juu. Ukiweka garlic ya kwanza kuna vile inakuwa sticky. Sufuria yako inakuwa sticky. So hii nimebakisha, by the way nitatumia kutengeneza paste because I love having like pilau with some paste. Naambia kunanukia poa. Yeah. So you keep on stirring because utaki sufuria yako ishike chini, and trust me guys, huku si kuungua because hii sufuria ndo nimetumia kuchemsha nyama. Yeah, so bado kupunguza kipoa. So you're gonna stir like for some seconds and then you add your tomatoes. Kama unatumia tomatoes ukimake pilau, tomatoes na what is this? Some carrots. Like this is the moment where you add your tomatoes, no? Uweze kuivanishia poa na hiyo kitunguu na kila kitu. And then after that tunaweka nyama. Okay, so let me add this. So sasa hii nimeweka tomatoes. I'll keep on stirring though. Tomatoes stick kwa sufuria, and then after zimekuwa poa like zimeform a paste ndo nita add nyama, and then add easy spices. Yep. So far so good, eh? So tomato sasa hii naona ziko poa. Tunataka kuweka nyama. So that is the meat guys. Right now I want to add the spices and then I'll be back guys. But then guys, if the video doesn't come out like so clearly and well detailed, my apologies because I'm cooking at the same time trying to shoot this video. Yeah, so let me apologize in advance guys. So let me add the spices. It's about time to wash our rice. Tunatumia basmati rice. Nimepima 1 cup ya hii inaonyesha. Una add rice before weke maji or anything else. Yeah, and then after kuweka hiyo rice ndo unaika yale maji sasa. Hii ndo haya ndo yale maji. After hiyo unaika maji and then you kinda like stir it. Alafu una stir pole pole, utaki uvunje rice. Una stir pole pole 3 minutes, alafu unarudi tena kuadd haya maji sasa juu. Haya maji yenye umeweka hapa ilikuwa kidogo sana, iwezi ivisha rice, but tulikuwa nataka kuget hizo taste zote za pilau from the cardamom, cumin, cloves. Yeah, so after hiyo unafunika and then utaongeza maji sasa ya kuivisha rice. Okay? Yep. So this is after roughly 3 minutes. Unaona vile iko sasa imeanza kukauka maji. So we go in and add add our boiled water yenye itaivisha rice. Unaweka tu ukiangalia, ukipima na macho ndo uone kama itaivisha. Utaki pia uweke mob sana, rice ive ishikani kai kama sima. Unataka ive baki moja moja. Yeah, so let me add like a little more. Yeah. And then guys, mwambia mna koroga rice yenu pole pole, and then you need to add a pinch of salt. Just a pinch guys. Yeah. And then we cover it. So tunafunika hivyo for 5 minutes, and then turudi tupunguze moto ibaki kidogo ndio sasa rice ive. There goes our pilau. So I'm done cooking guys. Inakaa hivyo. And then this is the paste that made it off camera. I used tomatoes, lots of pilipili, cumin, ginger, garlic, cardamom, na hii soy sauce na tomato paste. Yeah, so hizo ndo stuff zenye nimetumia kupikia hii paste. Yeah, so that's it guys for the pilau video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please feel free to subscribe, comment down below and tell me like what else you wanna see me cook on my channel. Thank you so much and bye.